I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today, we're sort of kicking off some holiday dishes here over the next few days. Actually going into the holiday season, I'll be making quite a few holiday type dishes. I mean, you can use them all year round, but these are some things that we'll eat around the holidays as well. So one of the things that I got a request for was sweet potato casserole. I'm gonna make the one kind that I like. It can be made the other way with the marshmallows on top, which that's basically just sweet potatoes laid in a 9 by 11 baking dish, quartered up and baked with some brown sugar and butter, and then you put in, not far before it's done, you put the marshmallows across the top and let that melt and brown in, and it's really yummy. My sister tends to make that a lot for our holiday meals. But I'm going to do a sweet potato casserole that I like, my side of the family more, and I hope you like it. It's got pecans in it. Pecans, pecans, pecans. I'll get a million people telling me which way is the right way to say it. And you know what? Even the Southerners argue about this, I've noticed. So yeah, those nuts going into the sweet potato casserole that I'm making. Coming up with it's going to be homemade ham loaf. I've had questions about that, and some other side dishes, and the holiday baking season is upon us. I also want to mention that here on Good Friday at 2 o'clock I will be doing a premiere. I was going to do a live, but I'm actually going to be having a belated Thanksgiving dinner with my mom. So I'm going to be doing a premiere, and it is a charity event for Valerie Reese and her channel. Check them out. I'm going to provide the information down below this, and I'll probably put out another reminder just for that. But 2 o'clock, my channel on Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving. I will be doing a premiere with some different stuff, and going to raise some money for a good charity that helps a lot of folks out around the holidays. So, sweet potato casserole. Oven's warm. Sweet potato casserole. Here it goes. So, obviously, you need sweet potatoes. And I'm going to peel and cube these and boil them till they're soft. And then I'm going to mash them, which is vanilla, brown sugar, some lemon, 4 eggs, and these will go on top. Oh, almost forgot butter. So I'll get the sweet potatoes going. So while my sweet potatoes cook, we're going to mix up the topping part, which is the butter, the nuts, and the brown sugar. I want to add one thing. I forgot to put it out in my prep, but with the other stuff, when we mash up the sweet potatoes, pure maple syrup. That'll go in with the vanilla, the lemon, and the eggs. So, but we're going to put these here. We're going to mix this all together, because this is going to be our topping. And after I get this mixed up here good, I'm just going to put it back in the refrigerator so that it has time to chill while the potatoes are cooking. We want it chilled back down before we put this as the topping on the potatoes when they go in the oven. And if you even want to cheat to get it chilled down really fast, you can always slap it in the freezer. Just don't forget you have it in there. Not that I've ever done something like that. There. So there's our topping for the casserole. I'm going to chill this down, and we'll wait for our potatoes to cook. So my potatoes are ready. I'm going to mash these, and then we'll add in the other goodies. So I'm going to add in my beaten eggs, like a tablespoon of lemon juice, which is about half a lemon, and my vanilla, teaspoon of vanilla, and then some real good maple syrup from our family friend has a sugar shack, and we always get it from him, and it's always just so wonderful. And I'm going to mix this up good. And then, since I'm doing it in cast iron, I might as well turn this into a cast iron Wednesday. And Cast Iron Wednesday was started by Native Tears, but a lot of other channels like Shovelhead 8 and Dan's Outdoor Cooking and Strong's Adventures all participate. So that's all incorporated and mixed in, and I'm going to turn this into my lodge. Out, and then we're going to get the topping for on top, because man, that's what makes half of this. I mean, this is good by itself, certainly looks good, but it's even better with that. And I have my, it's chilled alright. Gotta break it up a little bit. You want the topping chilled so that it doesn't sink down in, but actually crisps and caramelizes on the top. So there's our topping with the nuts and the brown sugar. We're just going to sprinkle this across the top. Oh man, this is going to be so good. Like I said, the way with the marshmallows is good too. It's simpler, there's no doubt about that. But man, this is just really, really good. And she's ready to go in the oven. Make sure I get all that out. She's ready to go in the oven. Look how good that looks. I'm going to bake that up at 350, 45 minutes to an hour. My sweet potato casserole is out of the oven. Look at all that yummy, crunchy goodness. So, I'm going to get ready to dish this up with my ham loaf, and we'll give it a try. So my sweet potato casserole is out of the oven. And look here, you see all the good bits with the pecans and you see that good there. So you have the crunch of the nuts, and that's what I like about this a little bit better than the ones with the marshmallows, because you get that nice crunchy topping that also goes with the creaminess of the sweet potatoes. Still hot. Oh man. God, it's so good with those brown sugar, butter, and nuts on top. Oh my god. Absolutely delicious. Beats the marshmallows all out. I won't tell Mike's sister that though. They're still good. It's just that I like these better. I like the nuts in it. I like the contrast of the crunchiness and of the nuts with the creaminess of the sweet potatoes. So it's just really delicious. That was by request. So that I actually asked that not only in video but also on my Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking Facebook page. That's a good place to get a hold of me and message me if you want or have questions. And I asked for people if there were specific things that they wanted me to make, as I am headed on to the Helga's Happy Holidays trail again. And this was one of them. So I hope you enjoy classic sweet potato casserole. Thanksgiving and Christmas are coming. Like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.